Bay windows are a beautiful addition to any home, offering expansive views, natural light, and added interior space. For homeowners in Nampa, where seasonal weather ranges from hot summers to cold winters, energy-efficient bay windows are a smart investment. They combine the timeless elegance of bay windows with advanced technology designed to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect your home from the elements. Here's why energy-efficient bay windows are the perfect choice for Nampa's seasonal weather and how they can transform your home. Superior insulation for year-round comfort. Nampa's seasonal weather includes hot summers and chilly winters, making insulation a key factor in maintaining a comfortable home. Energy-efficient bay windows are designed with features that minimize heat transfer and keep indoor temperatures consistent. Insulation features: double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, reduce heat transfer and improve thermal performance. Low E coatings reflect heat and block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Weatherproof frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or thermally broken aluminum provide excellent insulation and resist temperature changes. These features help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering energy bills. Reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient bay windows contribute to lower utility bills by reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home. Over time, these savings can add up, making them a cost-effective upgrade for Nampa homeowners. Energy-saving benefits. Prevent air leaks and drafts, ensuring consistent indoor temperatures. Reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems during extreme weather. Allow natural light to brighten your home, lowering electricity usage for lighting. For homeowners looking to cut costs and improve energy efficiency, bay windows are a stylish and functional solution. Enhancing natural light without overheating. Bay windows are designed to bring in abundant natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. However, in Nampa's hot summers, excessive sunlight can lead to overheating. Energy-efficient bay windows address this issue with advanced glazing technology. Lighting benefits. UV protection. Low E coatings block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. Glare reduction. Specialized glass minimizes glare, making your home more comfortable during sunny days. Temperature control. Insulated glass prevents heat from entering your home, even with direct sunlight. These features allow you to enjoy the beauty of natural light without compromising on comfort or energy efficiency. Durability to withstand Nampa's weather. Nampa's weather can range from intense heat to heavy rain or snow, requiring windows that can handle these conditions. Energy-efficient bay windows are built with durable materials designed to withstand the elements. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in extreme temperatures. Reinforced glass. Impact-resistant options provide added protection during storms or windy conditions. Sealed edges. Prevent water intrusion, reducing the risk of damage and mold growth. With these durable features, Energy-efficient bay windows are a long-lasting addition to your home, providing peace of mind in any season. Improved aesthetic and property value. Bay windows are a timeless design feature that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. When combined with energy-efficient technology, they become an even more valuable asset. Value-adding benefits. Boost curb appeal with their elegant and distinctive appearance. Create a bright, inviting interior that potential buyers will love. Offer eco-friendly and energy-saving features that appeal to modern homeowners. For Nampa residents looking to increase their property value, energy-efficient bay windows are a worthwhile investment. Customizable options for every home. Energy-efficient bay windows can be customized to suit your home's style and specific needs. Whether you prefer a modern look or a traditional aesthetic, there are options to match your vision. Customization features. Frame materials. Choose from vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum for the perfect blend of style and performance. Glass options. Select double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and tints to optimize energy efficiency. Size and shape. Tailor the dimensions and angles of your bay window to complement your home's architecture. Customization ensures that your bay windows not only improve energy efficiency but also enhance the overall design of your home. Partnering with professionals for installation. Proper installation is essential to maximize the benefits of energy-efficient bay windows. A trusted window professional in Nampa can ensure your windows are installed securely and perform at their best. Why choose professional installation? Prevent air leaks and water intrusion with precise measurements and sealing. Optimize energy efficiency with expert placement and alignment. Ensure long-lasting durability and a flawless finish. By working with experienced professionals, you can enjoy the full advantages of energy-efficient bay windows for years to come. Final thought. Energy-efficient bay windows are a smart investment for Nampa homeowners, offering a perfect combination of style, functionality, and sustainability. With superior insulation, reduced energy costs, and increased durability, these windows provide comfort and value in every season. If you're ready to upgrade your home, contact a trusted window expert in Nampa to explore your options. With custom energy-efficient bay windows, you can transform your home into a more beautiful, comfortable, and energy-saving space that's perfectly suited to Nampa's seasonal weather.